Let's give you some high beam. This is full high beam, so these are set up at 100% for high beam and 20% when not on high beam. Let's do the flash on pass. There we go. I'm going to hit the horn. There we go. Turn signals. You'll see the right side fade off. We stop that. It fades back on again. We can do that to the left side. There we go.